Hello and welcome to this Humanagement tutorial on calculating graphs. My name is Adam Wissler and I will be your guide for today's video. So what is a calculating graph? A calculating graph is, very simply put, a graph that gets its value from mathematical equations. So in essence, you might have certain graphs and you want to put the values of those graphs through a mathematical equation to get new values, and you want to add these new values into certain other graphs. So that would be a calculating graph. In this example that I'm going to show you today, I already have created three graphs here. So you can see I have gross income, and I have expenses, and I have GI minus expenses. So traditionally, I would take gross income and I would minus out the expenses, and the end result I would add manually into GI minus expenses graphs, just so I know what is that value. But I don't want to do this manually. I want the system to do this for me. So that is why we have a calculating graph feature function in Humanagement. So that is what I'm going to do today. Is I'm going to show you how you can set up a calculating graph for gross income minus expenses. And what you would do is you would take your graph where you want the end result to show, and you would go to the gear icon. You would click it, and this will open up additional settings here. And in the entry method, you would choose calculating. Instead of manual entry, you would choose calculating. And when you do that, there will be a new row opening up over here. So over here, you can select what graph should the system use as a starting point for your mathematical equations. So either expenses or gross income. Now I'm going to start with gross income because that's what I'm working with over here. And this one here, you just ignore it for now. I will explain it in a different tutorial video. Now gross income, we'll just click on add over here. So now we have started our mathematical equation with gross income, and now the system is asking me, should we plus, minus, or multiply? Well, we want to minus. And what should be minus from gross income? And that would be a number or a stat. It would be a stat, and I have to choose which and or what type of stat. So expenses. So right now the system goes gross income minus expenses stat. And that's what it does. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, additionally, you can create multiple lines of equations, but we don't want to do that right now. It's a very simple equation. And once you're done, just click on save. And just like that, we have created a GI minus expenses. So 900, yeah, it seems to be working. Just to check, I'm going to change the expenses for the last input. I'm going to do that to change that to 400. So expenses were 400, and over here in gross income for the last input, let's say 800. Good. So now if I go to GI minus expenses on the last input, there should be a value of 400. And there you go. It's working perfectly. So that is calculating graphs. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video, and I'll see you next time.